When people use the internet to shop, download music, watch TV, play a game, check for news, book a flight, upgrade software, or conduct a business transaction, they're probably using Akamai. Akamai's services transform the cloud from a chaotic place with unpredictable performance and scale into a secure, reliable, and cost-effective environment to do business. In this video, I'm going to describe how Akamai transforms the cloud to make the internet fast, reliable, and secure, and why it matters for our customers. Akamai was founded knowing that the internet on its own was not designed for business use, and that maintaining a state-of-the-art web presence was only going to get even more complicated. The big idea was to overlay the internet with a distributed computing platform and intelligent software to get content and applications as close as possible to everyone and everything. To act on this big idea, Akamai engineers have been hard at work developing relationships with over 1,000 internet service providers to deploy servers all over the world, tied together by mapping software that unifies everything into a single, unified platform designed for high levels of availability, on-demand scale, and around-the-clock operation. As more people connect to the internet at higher bit rates and in different ways, Akamai continues to grow its intelligent platform in order to get software as close as possible to internet users while adding more servers for scale. Today, Akamai delivers anywhere from 15 to 30% of all daily web traffic. That's trillions of web requests every single day. Whoa. But we're not done. Akamai engineers are developing new ways to extend the platform deep into carrier networks, onto millions of client devices, and other paths that will extend Akamai further into the devices found in homes and the workplace to get content and applications even closer to everyone and everything using the internet. It is this pervasive platform that provides the foundation for making the internet fast, reliable, and secure, and allows customers to greatly simplify and scale their own web initiatives as they no longer need to buy and manage specialized hardware, optimize software, and plan for infrastructure upgrades within their own data center. All that's required is a simple host name change to direct the request to Akamai. Now, the web is changing quickly, and businesses need to move with it. What was considered a leading web presence only a few years ago now comes across as old and tired. The diversity of device, browser, and network types have made it increasingly difficult to deliver a good experience. Steady adoption of cloud computing is moving business applications from in-house data centers to those managed by cloud service providers. Web attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated as hackers develop new tools and tactics. The result is that making the internet fast, reliable, and secure is an ongoing mission of ours, and the services made available on Akamai's platform continue to evolve in order to provide the right tools for the job to help meet the user expectations for whatever's next with the web. The expectations viewers have for an online video experience is changing rapidly. Startup delays and rebuffering are unacceptable as users expect a TV-like experience for both first and second screens. And they want high definition on any device, and those that don't get it, tune out. This is hard to do as the diversity of streaming protocols and increasing broadband connection speeds add new complexity to deliver the highest possible quality, let alone having to scale for broadcast-size audiences. Caching content on the Akamai platform and delivering from the edge of the internet is highly effective for handling media at scale. Akamai also simplifies the content workflow through fast uploading, storing, transcoding, and packaging so video content can be easily connected to audiences on any device while taking measures to dynamically stream at the highest possible bitrate for each and every user. Expectations are also changing for accessing information, shopping, and conducting business on the web. Users expect their web experiences to be fast, even for mobile, and be personalized based on the situation at any given time. Milliseconds do matter. But as web experiences become even more dynamic, richer, and personalized, response times go up, while the amount of time a user is willing to wait is trending down. And with the consumerization of IT, similar expectations exist at work. Providers unable to meet these expectations suffer from lower conversion rates, fewer visitors, and business users abandon, all of which translates to lost revenue. And a technique like caching is no longer enough. Dynamic site acceleration on the Akamai platform optimizes the request back to the application servers using techniques like routing and connection optimizations. This takes the network performance problem out of the way caused by the distance from the user to the data center. Because today's browsers are far more capable than before, along with the code designed to run on them, much of the new latency has to do with front-end inefficiencies based on the way browsers render content combined with congested cellular networks. Along with dynamic site acceleration, front-end optimizations like minification, consolidation, and deferral techniques make web experiences much faster across all situations. Web experiences must not only be fast, but also highly reliable, as unexpected downtime costs businesses a lot of money. The Akamai Intelligent Platform offers a variety of capabilities that get applied together to steer around internet bottlenecks, balance load across data centers and cloud infrastructure, backup content and storage, and gracefully handle peaks in traffic. The result? Reliable and efficient business operations. Making the internet secure is an ongoing challenge as today's web attacks are increasingly frequent, larger in size, and more sophisticated than ever. The old ways of protecting the web don't work well anymore because they either rely on appliances within a data center or focus on defending against older-style network layer attacks. And the business impact of unexpected downtime, brand defamation, and data breaches is getting larger as more critical operations with personally identifiable information is conducted over the web. The Akamai platform distributes security defenses to the edge of the internet to scale on demand with growing attack sizes and protect from a combination of both network and application layer attacks. Akamai automatically drops all non-application traffic, providing protection against the common bandwidth-consuming network layer attacks. But it goes beyond the network layer to also protect at the application layer, where today's attacks are shifting towards, through other techniques like rate controls, attack tool identification, client validation, and web application firewalling, which filter out the small and sneaky requests. Due to the nature of the Akamai Intelligent Platform, all of this is done in a way that the security defense is always on, scales on demand, doesn't degrade performance, and works in combination with other services, protect and perform without compromise. There's so much more Akamai's platform and people can do, along with a unified management console and development APIs to configure, provide insight, and give control. Whether it's for adapting images, characterizing devices, authenticating users, tokenizing credit cards, adapting IPv6 addresses, you name it. The architectural benefit of having software distributed at the edge instead of within a data center remains the same. 1, it greatly improves the end user experience. 2, operates reliably with on-demand scale. And 3, saves customers time and money by not having to build and manage it themselves. At Akamai, our vision is to help deliver on the promise of a hyper-connected world where life, leisure, and business are enabled to reach unimagined potential. We will continue to eliminate the complexities that hinder the experiences of the internet so customers can remain focused on what they do best while helping move businesses faster forward. Thank you for watching.